Hey YouTube, so I put a video up a while ago. My CRF50 having problems. I took it to Cycle World Superstore, and they fixed it up for me. It's running absolutely gorgeously. Like really nice. Got it all checked out. Chain. Idle is like a beauty now. It's a 2006 CRF50. The problem was the carburetor was really dirty, and I needed to get a new cap. So the guys at Cycle World put on an NGK cap for me. New wiring here. Yeah, made it run like new. A bit of dirt on some places, but it runs really nice. Thank you, Cycle World.